Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing Escovitch sauce or pickle. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So here I have my bell peppers, I also have my carrots, I also have my onions, my scotch bonnet pepper, and of course I have my pimento berries. As you can see, I'm using the red, the yellow, and the green bell peppers today. I'm also gonna add purple onion to this. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can even visit your local farmers market, and of course, you will get all of these items that I'm using today. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to go ahead and just slice up my bell peppers in the desired size and shape that I want it in. Remember, you can always go ahead and cut them up a little bit smaller or a little bit bigger depending on what you guys want. As I always say to you guys, just be creative and be you in the kitchen. So I went ahead already and just fry some silver fryers, some smaller fish. And if you guys want me to show you that video, you can always go ahead and leave a comment and let me know if you want to see it. But remember, you can always go ahead and have this amazing Escovitch sauce or pickle with some lobster. You can always have it with some fish, whatever you want to add it to, you can always go ahead and do so, and you can always keep this as long as possible. Remember that we're going to add some vinegar to this, and the vinegar will help to preserve the sauce. So you can always go ahead and let me know how you make your Escovitch sauce or pickle, if you do it this way or if you have another way that you prepare it. You can let me know in the comment section, because everybody cook a little bit different, and it's always I think it's always good to be open to hear other ideas, because as I said, everybody do their thing a little bit different. The purple onion, however, is a little bit optional. You don't have to add it. You can always go ahead and add the regular onion. But I have it at home and I decided to just add it for color. So just to note, guys, I will not be slicing up my carrots. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grate it today. But I do have other videos on my channel when I'm slicing it up. You can always go ahead and check that out and let me know. So again, guys, I just want to thank all of you. We made it to 7K subscribers. We're on our way now to 8K subscribers. So help me get there by subscribing, sharing, telling your friends and your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. And I just want to wish all of you a happy new year. I did about 2 videos already and I didn't say happy new year. So I just want to take the time out to just wish you guys a happy new year. And listen, we have a great things planned for this year, so we're just gonna give God thanks and we're just gonna manifest all of these good things that we have, and we're just gonna keep on praying and trusting God, trusting the process, and just know that there's great things for us out there. And always remember to just put God in everything that you do, as his word says that You should always commit your ways unto him, and he will direct your path. So as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and just shred my carrots. And once I'm finished doing this, we will go over to the stove and we'll just continue to prepare this amazing Escovitch sauce or pickle. So again, you can always let me know how you prepare your pickle, if you do it this way or if you have another way of preparing it. So once I'm finished, I'm just going to add back everything to the bowl and combine everything together nicely. So once I put it in the pot, I don't have to stir in a lot. Remember, when you're preparing your pickle, not to allow it to stay too long on the fire, because you don't want the vegetables to be too soft. 5 minutes is all good. So I went ahead and put on my pot on the stove already, and I also added some vegetable oil. If you don't have vegetable oil at home, you can always go ahead and use olive oil. So once my pot is all hot, I will go ahead and add all of these amazing vegetables, and as you can see, the color combination is perfect. So once I add all of that vegetable, I'm just going to go ahead and combine everything together nicely, and please be sure to turn on your stove on medium heat. Once everything is nicely combined, I will go ahead and add some granulated sugar to this and also my vinegar. Now, as I said, I will add the granulated sugar, but if you guys have brown sugar at home that you want to use, you can always go ahead and use the brown sugar. Or if you want to combine both of them together, you can always go ahead and do so. As you can see, I went in and add my vinegar, and then I'm going to add my granulated sugar. And that is just to just tone it down a bit, because remember that the vinegar is a little bit acidic, so you just want to tone that down a bit. And within 5 minutes, as I said, this is all ready. So in a few minutes, I'll come back and show you guys the final product, and we'll also add this to a nice jar. Alright guys, so my pickle is all ready and I allow it to just cool down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add this pickle to the jar, of course, and once I'm finished adding it, I'll come back and show you guys the final product of this amazing Escovitch sauce or pickle. Remember guys, you can always leave your comments and let me know what you think about it. Again, this can stay up to months. You can put it in your fridge. You don't have to worry. Remember that the vinegar is in there and the vinegar will help to preserve it. Alright guys, so there you have it, the final product of my Escovitch sauce or pickle. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. We're on our way to 8K subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing and sharing. Bye guys, and see you all tomorrow. Thank you again for watching.